Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Hilda in the snow. Just kidding, I just wanted you guys to see how beautiful this looks. In today's video, we're gonna learn about coffee. Do you like coffee? I love coffee. But sometimes buying a coffee bean can be a little bit overwhelming with so many offers that you have out there. How can you find out what you like? It's very easy. And there are a few tips I'm going to give you in this video, so stay tuned. There are many ways to make your coffee, and there's no really one that is wrong. They're all correct. You can coffee drip, AeroPress, French press, stovetop, espresso machines. There are many ways, and you can just choose the one you like. The one thing you have to watch is the quality of the water you're using to make your coffee. Try to use always filter water. After you decide the way you want to make your coffee, you have to go buy coffee beans, and that's what this video is about. How you can choose the best coffee beans that you want to try. There are many options of coffee beans you can buy, so it can get a little bit confusing. And I've been there, so I'm not an expert. I don't know no one on earth that can know everything about coffee. Even the experts, they learn a little bit of coffee each day, every day. That's the beautiful thing about coffee. First, try to purchase fair trade coffee beans. And what this means is that people and land that were involved in the process of making this coffee were treated nicely. Second, try to purchase whole beans. That's gonna give you the freshness when you grind it at home. It's gonna be way more fresh than if you purchase already grinded coffee. Did I already say freshness? Because this is very important. The freshness of the coffee beans you're using is the most important thing. The roasting type is very important because it will tell you, for example, dark roast is going to be bitter, light roast is not going to be that bitter. If you try to be bold, go to a darker roast. But if you try to enjoy the origins of the coffee you're purchasing, like if you want to feel more like the fruity notes, like the blueberries or the caramel chocolate, try to purchase a lighter roast. It doesn't mean that they add fruit or chocolate to the coffee beans in the process. It doesn't mean that. It just means that depending the altitude of the coffee, that's gonna give it different flavors. My recommendation is that you try all of these roasting types so you can find out what kind of roast you like. I kind of like in the morning more darker roast, and in the afternoon I like to go with a lighter roast. Number 4, grinding your coffee. This is very important, and if you go for a super coarse grinding coffee, it's gonna be better for a cold brew coffee. And you're gonna find out what is the best by trial and error. Did I already say freshness of your coffee? That's a very important thing. Always look for the freshness of the coffee. The fresher they are, the better coffee you're gonna get. So it's time to grind our coffee. Brew your coffee. Now the coffee is ready. And because I use fresh coffee beans and good quality beans, you can see the crema over there. The crema of the coffee is that little foam, coffee foam. I don't know how to call it. It's just crema that you can see on top of it, and is delicious. My favorite part. Good. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave in the comments the kind of coffee you like, and also subscribe, like, and follow on Instagram. Thank you for being here one more time in Cooking with Hilda. See you guys next time.